Guten Tag, it's Haley here. We take a look at the earthquake page first, because that is the order in which it is in my bookmarks file, right? Alaska, Atka, Alaska, wherever that is, had 6.8 last night. Or this morning, because it was, I'm not sure what Alaska time is. Anyway, that would be like 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning, Eastern time. So if we click on that and we click on maps, and then I like the Google map for some reason, then you can zoom out and see where this nearly 7.0 earthquake was. They don't call it Ring of Fire for nothing, I tell you. And here is where we can see that heat advisory is moving east and north today. With these all heat advisories, that is red flag warning, red flag warning, red flag warning. Apparently we are out of the winter weather advisory and freeze watch in Nevada. I think this is also red flag warning, yes. So that red flag warning is fire warning. That is where it could be like conditions like there's going to be dry thunderstorms that could set things alight, if that is the word. It's dry ground, it could be drought conditions or just super low humidity and hot, high, fiery temperatures. Here is a tropical storm warning. We will talk about that soon. Here is who wishes they get tropical storm, but hey, there's the 5.1 and the 5.1. I'm reading the number 17.1. This is 5-day quantitative precipitation forecast. So out to there a little bit. Again, the severest drought place not get the most rain. This is from the tropical storm 5-day quantitative precipitation forecast. That means water dropping everywhere. This is actually the page, the quantitative precipitation forecast. Yeah, so you can see it's what? It's 17.1. Apparently in days 1 and 2, you get almost all of it. 16.23. And if you look at day 1, QPF, 9 inches of rain today, apparently. That is a lot. That is what tropical storms do to you. It dump all sorts of water on you. Here is who's still flooded. So, 43 locations. So, Hurricane Irene. Now, what's up with it? They're in middle of drought, yet they have river gauges that are unflooded. It makes no sense. That's right. So, Hurricane Irene still leaving stuff. And this has been pretty much all season long up here with the Missouri and such. So here is today's severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk. Iowa, Wisconsin, Michigan, Nebraska, places like that. Here is the specific risk of damaging wind. This stuff is blowing really hard. 15% there, 5 and 5. Here is the damaging hail probability. It pretty much looks the same as the wind thing. Here is who may see tornado, and apparently Tropical Storm Lee may dump tornado in Louisiana. And up there 2% as well. Here is tomorrow, where Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, and Michigan, and Indiana, lots of other states. And here is a specific risk, and again you can see 5% out there, and stuff up there. So here is the 20%. Disorganized cloudiness. That sounds very menacing, doesn't it? I hate it when the clouds get all disorganized. So we have 40% chance up there. We have Tropical Storm Lee, who is going to be dumping buckets and buckets of water. Let's see if we go. So apparently Lee going to hit Louisiana, Mississippi, and be depressed when it arrives in Alabama. That's apparently what's going to happen. And if we go back, Hurricane Katia is finally Hurricane Katia, because I believe I've been calling Tropical Storm Katia Hurricane Katia all this time, because Hurricane Katia is going to become Major Hurricane Katia. That means a category 3 or higher on the Saffir-Simpson scale. It goes all the way up to 5, as opposed to 11 like Spinal Tap, something like that. But we look at the models, and Hurricane Katia apparently still, the models are showing she will curve northward. That is, some of them show her curving northward there. But, we keep watch on it because things can change. The closer you get to the time of the actual happening, the models, they're much better. I don't know. Anyway, so, Wicked Wicks, it's a weather site. You go there. You don't care there. I don't care. Whatever. It's WICKEDWX.com. You take it easy now.